Another problem where we have two special right triangles that are sharing a side, which is this right here. And the side we are supposed to find is x, which is this one. Well, this is the 45, 45, 90. And this is the 30, 60, 90. And what I know about the top triangle, I know that this side will be congruent to that side. But I have no numbers up here. I do know that this will be the square root of 2 times whatever we get for one of these side lengths. So I've got to start down here where the 9 is at. Well, when I look at that side, this 9 is the hypotenuse. It's across from the 90-degree angle. I need to find the short side first because everything is based off that short side. And the short side's always across from the smallest angle, so that's the short side. Well, I know that the hypotenuse is actually 2 times the short side. So that means whatever this is must be this thing split in half. So I'm going to call that 9 over 2. That means this side right here, this other leg, is the short side times the square root of 3. This side is 9 divided by 2 times the square root of 3, which we're going to rewrite as 9 square root of 3 over 2. That is also the same as this length. This side length and this side length are both that. That's not what they asked us to find. They asked us to find x. Well, x is going to be your side length times the square root of 2. All right, let's pop that in there. 9 square root of 3 over 2. If you put this over 1 and multiply straight across, you're going to have 9 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 all over 2 times 1. That's going to give us 9 times the square root of 6. 2 times 1 is 2, isn't it? All over 2. And that is our final answer. Yeah, I know they can get pretty scary. All right, if you need to review all of this, where did these ratios come from, check out this video.